In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the app's shortcut is missing in Google Chrome here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you're done typing, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the best match and click on open to continue. So you would be navigated to a window like this. Okay. And we just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. So as you can see, our app's shortcut is not showing or not appearing here in our Google Chrome window. So in order to fix that, all you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there are three dots. Please scroll down and go with bookmarks and list. So the moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to see this one, which is show bookmarks bar. All you need to do is you need to tap on it and eventually this will show up. So from here, please make a right click. Okay. And proceed to show apps shortcuts. Okay. Which is next to bookmark manager. So click on it and eventually you will be able to appear or place the apps which is missing earlier here in our Google Chrome. So by that, you can now click on it and it will show you all of the apps shortcut that you can go with here in your Google Chrome. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.